Hello, today Midorika Isakal will present you the latest Forex news. On Thursday, Miyako Suda, member of the Policy Board of the Bank of Japan, declared that at the moment she is focused on downward risks for the country's economy because of the threat posed by the global market instability. She became the first member of the board to sound such note of warning from the moment of the bank's outlook improvement last month. The euro area debt crisis can also negatively influence Japanese economy as significant currency rates fluctuations and stocks prices are able to decrease the sentiment of companies and households, she added. Suda's comments were unveiled amid the spread of Greek sovereign debt problems to other European countries such as Portugal, which makes the investors be careful and sell the risky assets. A strong unwillingness of investors to risk currently thrust upwards the Japanese yen, having the shelter asset status versus the US dollar. As a result, the USD GPI pair reached a low of 87.95, while the index Nikkei stock average fell last week to 9,432 points against the maximum of 11,408 points, where it was at the beginning of the financial year in April. Nevertheless, her statement is likely to contradict the May upward adjustment of the forecast for the Japanese economy made by the Bank of Japan. The central bank claimed that the economy is starting to rehab gradually amid the confident growth of export and the domestic demand uprise. Suda also pointed out that the prediction of the lower economic activity enhanced in Japan is one of the descending risks for the country's economy. In accord to her speech, these expectations are able to suppress prices. In order to increase the productivity of Japan and thus strengthen the expectations of the activity growth, the Bank of Japan took a decision to initiate a new program backing up bank lending, which was named by Suda an exceptional move of the central bank. During the latest meeting devoted to monetary policy, the Bank of Japan disclosed the general issues of the program, including providing credits to commercial banks for a year term at 0.1% interest rate. It is expected that the banks are using these funds for crediting the companies and thus stimulating the economic activity. Keep watching Forex News on InstaForex TV. Goodbye.